When you load your business file in Cashflow Manager, the first thing you will see is the dashboard screen. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your business health and is very useful for quickly understanding your cash flow and current liabilities. The dashboard is explained in more depth in our separate video called Version 11 Dashboard. For users of our previous versions of Cashflow Manager, the navigation is a little different. While all the usual features and functions operate in the same way they always have, navigating around Cashflow Manager has been simplified. The toolbar that provides various options depending on which section of the program you're working in remains at the top. But the main navigation of the program is now displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can see the sections you want to work in all at once. Whichever part of the program you want to work in, it's only one click away. Cashflow Manager's column and row structure is unchanged and is now presented in high contrast to enable easier reading of the data. Moving back to the left-hand navigation, you will see the sections are color-coded to identify the main parts of the program. When you are working on your accounts, the section you are working on is also highlighted, so you know exactly where you are at any one time. The bank account that you are working on appears in the drop-down selector at the top of the page. The program is designed to be really easy to enter your business data. If you have money coming into the business or going out, you select either money in or money out. From there, you simply select the next available row and enter the details of the transaction and then allocate the amount transacted in the appropriate column. It's as simple as that. Your transactions remain on the page with totals at the bottom so that you can see immediately the totals for any given month without having to navigate to elsewhere in the program. So, in Money In, enter the day the money was received, the customer name, and the total amount received. Then allocate the receipt to the column most appropriate for the payment type. In Money In, when you enter a receipt, you must also indicate whether the money you have received has been banked or not banked. At the end of the row, enter the amount in either the bank deposits or receipts not banked column. The Money Out section records the payments that you make. Again, you record the date, the name of the supplier, any relevant details, and the total bank payment or the cash payment column, depending on how the amount was paid. Then allocate the expense to the most appropriate column for the payment. You can also split the amount across multiple columns if required. The next item is the bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is about matching the records you have entered with the transactions that have actually gone through your bank account. Reconciliation provides you and your accountant with an indication that your records are accurate. There will be entries on your bank account that you haven't entered, like interest, fees, direct debits and credits and the like. Reconciling your bank account takes into account all the receipts and expenses relevant to your business. The program makes this process simple by using an easy wizard that walks you through the process step by step. You can also use a feature that imports your bank statement electronically and automatically matches the receipts and the expenses and then auto-allocates them to the appropriate account. The cash flow section also has comprehensive reports to help you manage your business and prepare your taxes. Click on the report you want, then on the Continue button. Specify the options for the reports, then print them or save them for further analysis. The cash flow section also has a budget section where you can prepare a budget, then track how you're performing against your budget. That's our brief overview of the cash flow section of Cashflow Manager. Check out our website for other training videos.